Hey there. I am so glad you decided to take this time for yourself today. Let's start by just getting really comfortable. Whether you are sitting or lying down, just feel the weight of your body pressing into the surface beneath you. You do not have to do anything special right now. Just arrive. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears and let your hands rest gently wherever they land. Take a nice, slow breath in through your nose, feeling the cool air, and then let it out with a soft, long sigh. Notice the room around you, the subtle sounds, and the temperature of the air on your skin. We are not trying to change anything. We are just noticing that we are here, right now, in this beautiful space. Now, let's bring our focus entirely to the breath. Notice where you feel it most clearly in your body. Is it the tip of your nose or the rise and fall of your chest? Maybe it is the expansion of your belly. Follow the breath from the very beginning of the inhale, through that tiny moment of stillness at the top, and all the way down through the exhale. It is like a gentle wave washing over the shore and then pulling back into the ocean. There is no need to rush. This breath is your life force, steady and reliable. If your mind starts to wander toward your to-do list, that is totally okay. Just acknowledge it with a smile and bring your focus back to the sensation of the air moving. Let's deepen that sense of grounding now by scanning through the body. Start at the very top of your head and let a wave of relaxation flow down through your forehead, your jaw, and your neck. Feel your spine stacking naturally, supporting you without any effort at all. Move that awareness down into your hips and legs. Feel the solid ground beneath you, supporting your weight completely. You are held by the earth. Imagine roots growing from wherever your body touches the ground, reaching deep into the soil, steady and firm. You are unshakable in this moment. Every muscle is softening, releasing any tension you have been holding on to. Breathe into any areas that feel tight and let them simply dissolve into the floor. You are safe. You are present. It is completely natural for the mind to wander. It is just what minds do. When you notice a thought popping up, maybe a memory or a worry, think of it like a white cloud passing through a clear blue sky. You do not need to chase it or push it away. Just name it quietly, thinking, and then gently guide your attention back to your anchor. Your anchor is your breath or the feeling of your feet on the floor. It is always there, waiting for you. Do not judge yourself for drifting. Each time you realize you have wandered and you come back, you are actually strengthening your mindfulness muscle. It is a beautiful, kind act of returning to yourself. Stay with the breath. Inhale, exhale, finding that quiet center once again. Within the movement of the breath and the presence of the body, there is a space of pure silence. It is not the absence of sound, but a deep inner stillness that exists underneath everything else. Let us sit in that stillness for a moment. Feel the vastness of this current moment. You are not your thoughts. You are not your roles. You are simply the awareness witnessing it all. In this silence, there is a profound sense of peace. It is a place where you can just be without any expectations or demands. Let the silence nourish you. Let it wash over you like a gentle, healing light. There is nowhere else you need to be and nothing else you need to do right now. You are perfectly whole.